Hello and welcome to another video here in Humble Unboxing. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Dr. Bronner's Peppermint toothpaste. Very curious to try this out. So this is first of all what the package looks from the outside. I ordered this on drbronner.ch, the Swiss website, the official website of Dr. Bronner's. You can find this product on Amazon, in your supermarket, in your like reform house it's called, like alternative supermarkets, or just on the Dr. Bronner's website of your responsive country where you live at. And yeah, I've gotten a couple of other products which I also unbox, and you can also find them on my channel, like the lip balm, the lotion, the soap, liquid soap and solid bar soap, if you want to check that out. Alright, well, first of all, it says, it's even in English too, French, German and English. Peppermint toothpaste, fluoride-free with organic oils, helps freshen breath, whiten teeth and reduce plaque. This package is 105 milliliters. Dr. Bronner's, great company, family soap makers since 1958. It has like the ingredients on top of here, and all these labels that it's vegan and fair trade. It contains menthol and eucalyptus, if that's how you pronounce it. It's made in the US, and yeah, the backside you can see. Well, it says the same that it said in the front, and then here we have the list of ingredients. I'm not gonna go into those now. What we want to see is how the toothpaste bottle looks like. It's basically just a copy of the box itself. If we look at it like this, it's like a one-to-one copy. Absolutely. Well, that's funny, I guess. It says again, peppermint toothpaste, the size again, and there is really nothing special about this. I'm gonna open up the package like this, and then there is no lid, so immediately it comes out. I'm gonna have a sniff. Oh yeah, oh that's strong. It reminds me of those kind of toothpaste that the tooth lady at school would bring us. But wow, it must be definitely, there is a strong flavor. Very curious to try it out. Well, alright, that was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, consider leaving this video a like and also subscribing to the channel. It always helps out a lot. Go check out my other videos on my channel. I have more products on Dr. Bronner's, as I explained before, and also products like clothes, jackets, shoes, technical devices like laptops and so on, and traveling gear and streaming gear, just a lot of different things, which I'm sure there's something for you. Alright, again, hope you enjoyed. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.